The P0335 diagnostic trouble code indicates a malfunction in the crankshaft position sensor circuit in Nissan vehicles. This is one of the most critical engine sensors. The crankshaft position sensor is located in the engine bay and serves four critical functions. It controls engine timing, manages fuel injection timing, regulates ignition timing, and calculates engine speed. When the crankshaft position sensor fails, drivers experience several distinct symptoms. The most common is the engine cranking but failing to start. Other symptoms include intermittent stalling, rough idle, check engine light activation, and poor acceleration. Analysis shows three main root causes for P0335 failures. Sensor failure accounts for 60% of cases, typically due to internal component degradation. Wiring issues cause 25% of failures, while mechanical problems like reluctor wheel damage account for 15%. Modern diagnostic tools now provide real-time crankshaft position sensor data streaming and predictive maintenance capabilities. Nissan has released technical service bulletins addressing P0335 issues, particularly affecting Altima, Sentra, Rogue, and Maxima models manufactured between 2019 and 2024. Understanding the P0335 code is essential for Nissan owners and technicians. This critical sensor failure requires immediate attention to prevent engine damage and ensure proper vehicle operation. Effective diagnosis of the P0335 code requires a comprehensive approach, starting with advanced OBD2 scanning tools. Next, systematically check for the most common failure points, including wiring harnesses, connections, and ground circuits. Industry data shows significant differences in repair success rates between OEM and aftermarket sensors, with OEM parts achieving 85% success compared to 70% for aftermarket alternatives. In 2024, P0335 codes represented 12% of all Nissan diagnostic trouble codes, with the Altima, Sentra, and Rogue being the most frequently affected models. Expert technicians emphasize the critical importance of verifying the reluctor wheel condition and precisely measuring the air gap during sensor replacement. Industry trends now favor preventive replacement of crankshaft position sensors at around 100,000 miles, rather than waiting for complete failure.